A newly discovered piece of malware has been circulating since at least December of 2018. KryptoCibule, as it is called, installs a cryptocurrency miner on the victim's computer, steals files related to their cryptocurrency wallets, and replaces the wallet addresses in the system clipboard to hijack payments. KryptoCibule uses the Tor network to encrypt its communication with its command and control servers. The use of Tor combined with the clipboard hijacker actually makes KryptoCibule one of the most advanced cryptojacking strains that we've seen to date. The current features in KryptoCibule come from extensive work on the part of the malware's developers, with new functionality slowly being added to the code since it was first released in 2018. At this point, KryptoCibule has only been observed in the Czech Republic and Slovakia, which has also helped to keep it hidden from analysts and researchers. This targeted area does appear to be by design, as the malware checks for 3 different antivirus applications, all of which are based out of one of these 2 countries. Acronis Cyber Protect helps to detect and stop unwanted cryptomining before it can slow down your computer or compromise your financial data.